Everyone has that one trade, that one time where they're sitting in a trade for several hours, several days, and the market's not doing anything. I'm in one of those trades now, and now is a perfect time to do this video because I want to share the emotions around a trade, being stuck in drawdown, being in profit long enough to actually make any money. And this video is all about exposure. What is going on, everyone? Happy Wednesday. Welcome back to the channel. So, exposure. Exposure is needed when you want to actually profit from the market. A lot of people, myself included, I've been in this Aussie dollar trade right now. Currently about 20 pips in profit. Nothing really major, nothing to write home about. But I constantly remind myself that if I want to profit from the market, I have to be exposed. You can't expect to be in a trade for 5 minutes and it's going to hit your TP. Yes, there are occasions where you are going to have those runners, stingers like I like to call them. And yes, you're going to have those 80, 90, 100 pip runners when the market's ready to do so. However, you are going to have times and periods of volatility where volatility goes lower, periods of consolidation like the Aussie right now. So we're going to jump onto the charts. I'm going to explain what I mean. Stay tuned in this video. It's going to be a good one. Let's go. Right, the Aussie right now is such a good example of actually trusting your analysis. At one point on this position, I was stuck in a bit of drawdown, about 40 pips drawdown, 40, 50 pips drawdown. And there again, I trusted my analysis. So I'm not here to blow my own trumpet and talk about how good this trade is. I'm here to tell you that it's going to happen. I'm here to tell you that it's how you manage those emotions. Now, for myself, I constantly remind myself, if I want to profit, I need exposure. I need exposure. So this is the number one rule that I want you all to take away from this video. You have to be as patient as you are in profit as you were in drawdown. Every one of us, myself included, is that extra bit patient when you're in drawdown because you have that constant thing in your mind telling yourself that the market's going to turn. The market's going to turn. It's not going to stop me out. This trade's going to do well. However, when you're in profit, you're like, hit TP, hit TP. Hasn't hit TP yet. And there again, that emotion doesn't help. So, lesson of this video, have as much patience as when you're in profit as when you're in a loss. So, looking at the Aussie right now, just to reference this trade, I'm currently in this trade. Show you guys. Currently in this trade, I don't know if you can see that or not. I'll drop a screenshot somewhere over here. Currently in this position. And yeah, floating about 7K up in profit. Not too bad. I'm happy with the exposure that I had in this position. It was a lot worse when I was in drawdown. However, I reminded myself, I have to be as patient in profit now as I am in drawdown. If you've seen a certain number on your screen, this is a little hack by the way. If you see a little certain red number on your screen when you're in drawdown, only get out of that trade when your profit is double that number. Psychological hack. You will sit in that trade long enough for it to pay you. You can't go straight into profit after a period of consolidation. Get out of your trade early because it was annoying. There's not the right psychology to do so. So understand and remember that to be in the markets, you need exposure. You have to have it, right? So remember that. Little hack for you. Dollar, obviously, following off the back of yesterday's video, we have come and kissed 113. Beautiful little rally today, simply for the back of an inflationary day. You had inflation in the UK, inflation in the Eurozone, inflation out of Canada. That has put dollar higher. Risk, obviously, trading lower. You got the S&P and the Dow Jones trading near enough. Or the S&P almost 2%, NASDAQ almost 2%, Dow over 1% on the day. So nice little turn in risk assets. Dollar higher. You obviously got commodities lower. Gold almost at my level that I gave out in the group earlier this week at 16.25. Silver on the slide as well. Oil, little bit of a bounce as America announced they will scoop up any cheap oil. So that has lifted oil slightly. So nothing really to write home about. Euro, obviously beautiful reversal that I did call out on this YouTube. So I hope everyone is eating this week. So Euro following, cable, beautiful little follow through on cable. Then obviously the Aussie the one that I'm in is the slowest moving dollar. Like, what the heck? But no, that's okay. I am being patient in this position. And yeah, I thought now is the perfect time to do this kind of video. You have to know that for you to profit in the markets, you need exposure. But I also want everyone to know that when you're in drawdown, you're always that little bit more patient. So remind yourself, if you've ever been in a trade of drawdown, constantly tell yourself you have to still be in that trade at least for 1 to 2. If it's pissing you off, which the Aussie is annoying me, then at least I need a 1 to 2. So the risk that I had that was floating in drawdown, I need to see double of that. Then I'll consider closing the position and taking my profits. But until then, I have to be patient, because if I really want to profit, I need to be exposed. But that's it from me, everyone. Very short video. I hope you enjoyed that little nugget, something that I do in times of consolidation and periods of indecisive price action. So hope you enjoyed the video. Do like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.